Oh, that was an amazing comeback right there. Thank y'all for joining me today. My name is Cornelius Jackson. Now, what I have in front of me is cleaning supplies. Got some Clorox bleach here. Each one of these is exclusive. Now, my son's in the background playing. This stuff right here, Clorox wipes. This stuff can clean anything. I mean, anything. I mean, you know, you having some wild parties, and you know, a little something happens, and there's some blood on the floor. Know what I'm saying? Some blood on the floor, and you want to wipe it up, but you know, you want to use paper towels because that'll leave some traces. Clorox wipes, baby, and also too, dish soap. Two greatest things ever created in the United States of America. Along with some bleach, baby. You put that with it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now you have somebody in your house that you don't want, that you don't like, and they're germy. You think they're nasty. We've all had them people come in our house that we don't like. That's good. That's beer coming up. You see, spray that. That stuff is more powerful than water. Yeah, to burp that up a little bit. This stuff's strong. And we keep falling back on the jerry rig here. Anywho, last but not least, we have whippets. Whip it. Whippets, whip it. This stuff works better than shit. Now, all this stuff can clean shit. It can clean piss, blood, you know what I'm talking about? Something you did, you know, over there to the neighbors or to a stripper or something, or a hooker. You don't want to, you know, nobody to find out. Anywho, I digress all that. Use this stuff. This stuff, all this stuff is amazing. You can buy this stuff for about, I want to say, $50,000. $50,000. Now, you buy this stuff today, one-time deal. I will throw in some tarp, some rope, a shovel, and some tape, some duct tape, and some more rope. And I'll supply you an alibi as well. You know what I'm talking about. Anywho, one-time deal, $50,000 for this beautiful collection of cleaning supplies, if you know what I'm talking about. Now, I'm Cornelius Jackson. You can ask me 1-800-452-3781. Remember, that number, I'm not going to repeat it because legally I'm not insured to sell this stuff to you. But hey, we're going to sell this shit anyways. Anywho, thank y'all for listening to this commercial. Please buy this stuff. You can cash at me, PayPal. Even come up to me on the side and pay a little cash. You know what I'm talking about? A little cash, you know what I'm saying? Just a little touch. Anywho, thank y'all for listening to this commercial. And remember, please buy this shit, yeah. If you want some shit to get rid of, I can help you get rid of that stuff, y'all. Really, I can help you. I can help you get rid of that accident you done had in your house. Thank y'all for watching. This is Cornelius Jackson selling you some cleaning supplies.